Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make baklava in oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and prepare all ingredients first. Layer phyllo sheets carefully with melted butter between each sheet and add chopped nuts evenly to build consistent layers. Trim edges for a neat bake and score into diamonds before baking. The goal is crisp, golden layers with a sticky, flavored syrup to finish. Start assembling on a clean surface with your butter and phyllo ready. Place a sheet, brush with butter, repeat several times, then add a thin, even layer of nuts. Continue alternating phyllo and nuts until desired height, finishing with many buttered phyllo sheets on top. Score the unbaked pastry into diamonds or squares so syrup can soak evenly after baking. Remember, gentle, steady hands make neater layers. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: grab the simple path to wealth if you enjoy smart, straightforward ideas about money. It pairs oddly well with a homemade dessert mindset and makes a great gift. I mention it because good habits and good recipes both build a better life, and you might find it useful. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bake the scored baklava at 350 degrees F until it turns deep golden and the aroma fills the kitchen. While baking, simmer sugar, water, and lemon to make a clear, slightly thick syrup and cool it to warm. Immediately pour the cooled syrup evenly over the hot pastry so it absorbs without turning soggy. Let it rest several hours or overnight so flavors meld and layers set into perfect, crisp slices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.